I'll show you how you can fix Task Manager not showing the full details. So for example, here from my desktop, I'm going to right click on my Task Manager. I'm going to type on that. And you see, this is what Task Manager looks like, right? Now, for example, here, if I want to show more details, there's a couple of ways we can do this, right? So for example, here on the processes, you can see there's a couple of icons here, but we don't know what the icon mean, right? We can uncollapse this by clicking on the three bar here to open the navigations, and you can see there's a couple of details that we can see here, right? Now, if you go to details here, you can see this is more of the more details that we can see. We can fine tune and see all of the things and all of the apps that we have. You can see all of it is in here, right? But if we want to go to processes, you can see that in the processes here, there is a couple of apps and a couple of programs that we're running, but there is a collapsible thing here, right? You can uncollapse this like this, right? Now, if we want to see more of the details on every one of these, if we go to the three part section here and then click on view and then click on expand all, you can see we can expand all of the current processes into its sub processes, right? So we can see more of the details here, right? But if you're still having issues, we can go to the search bar here and then you want to click on run. And then on run, you want to type in CMD. And then on CMD, you want to type in SFC/scan now. And when you press on enter, it'll scan your computer for any remaining problems. And that could include your file manager or your task manager not showing extra details. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.